Hello everybody, Singing Assembly, Warm Up. This is a song, it's a little song, nonsense language, called Yenamanoa. Somebody will probably comment and tell me that I'm wrong. That's fine. I think it's from Scotland. So the words are Yenamanoa, Manoa, Yenamanoa, Manoa, Yenamanoa, Manoa, Yenamanoa, Manoa. See how fast you can say that? Yenamanoa, Manoa, Yenamanoa, Manoa, Yenamanoa, Manoa. 3 times. And then the 4th time it's different. Boanama, fuller wither. So I think of a bow and a hammer. Boanama, full, like full glass, fuller wither, with a biscuit. 4 parts. I'm going to put them all on, and I'll point to which one's which at the time that it comes up. Nope, that's not the right button. Here we go. First part. Okay. Yenamanoa, Manoa, Yenamanoa, Manoa, Yenamanoa, Manoa, Boanama, fuller with a Yenamanoa, Manoa, Yenamanoa, Manoa, Yenamanoa. Here comes the second part. Boanama, fuller with a Yenamanoa, Manoa, Yenamanoa, Manoa, Yenamanoa, Manoa, Boanama, fuller with a Yenamanoa, Manoa, Yenamanoa, Manoa, Yenamanoa, Manoa. Here comes the 3rd part. Watch the hands. Yenamanoa, Manoa, Yenamanoa, Manoa, Yenamanoa, Manoa, Boanama, fuller with a Yenamanoa, Manoa, Yenamanoa, Manoa, Yenamanoa, Manoa. Here's the 4th part. Dad in a shower, dusha, dad in a shower, dusha, dad in a shower. Boanama, fuller with a Yenamanoa, dusha, dad in a shower, dusha, dad in a shower. Boanama, fuller with a dad in a shower, dusha, dad in a shower, dusha, dad in a shower. Boanama, fuller with a dad in a shower, dusha, dad in a shower, dusha, dad in a shower. Boanama, fuller with a. There we go. That last line is dad in a shower, not dad in the shower. Peace. Bye.